You may say to yourself, no way, not my client. But I can tell you, more often than not, it's true. There are 3 things that your new Medicare Advantage client remembers after you've enrolled them. Number 1, my insurance is free. Number 2, I get to keep my doctor. And number 3, my drugs are covered. This can be a big problem, not just for your client, but also for you. But why is that my problem? I told them everything they need to know. Their network, their co-pays, and their maximum out-of-pocket cost. I did everything compliantly. The truth is, it's not your fault. It's perfectly normal for an enrollee to only retain about 20–25% of all the new information they've been taking in during the MA enrollment. Just because your client says they understand they'll be paying their co-pays up to a maximum out-of-pocket, that concept really doesn't sink in until they've actually used it. So, when your client has an unexpected health event that involves a trip to the hospital, they're going to call you. When they do, be ready to explain to them all over again why they have to pay the $1,750 bill for a 5-day stay in a hospital. Why go through losing your client, your renewal, and maybe even your good reputation? Instead, during an MA enrollment, make sure to offer a hospital indemnity plan. At only about $1 a day, it will protect your client from paying that hospital bill. You may still get a phone call from Mrs. Jones, but she'll be calling to thank you instead.